Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to log out of your Roblox application using your smartphone. Logging out of Roblox is super easy. First of all, open the Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials. If you do, you can safely log out by tapping Logout at the bottom. Confirm that you'd like to log out of your account by tapping Logout once again, and right after you do that, you will be logged out of your Roblox account. Super easy. Logging out of your Roblox account is a simple yet vital step in maintaining your account's security, whether you are using a mobile device, desktop, or web browser. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.